Hello folks, repair review on a Galaxy 959. Put a new audio chip in, cold solder joint, tuned it up, it's good to go. Let's look at the 10-watt burst slug. Remember, this is single final, 1969.
1, 2, 3, hello, audio.
Got the top back on.
Hello, 1.
Let me turn that off. Deck in 1, hello, audio, 1, 2. About 7 bird. 50-watt slug, 1X position. Peak. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 25. Hello, audio, deck in 1, swing 25. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Hello, audio. Audio 1, 2. Hello, audio. I hope you enjoyed the video. Got the little 959 going. Oh, here's your receiver. Got the signal generator on still. But there you go. Another one fixed. Your friend in 10, 018, Beavis. Not quite.